Pwede pre, different character. Salamat sa notify, Chad. Ano tayo? Raffle, palaro, yung mga subs, tsaka ano? Hindi. 7 rounds tayo ng Guess the Monster. 2 rounds on Else Jewel. 5 rounds, 20 else each.
Bro, I just saw a server that is called Chase's Murder Mystery.
Nalista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Enlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server. I wish you could play Roblox now.
Ano ba ito? Kamusta Jet Lord sa ano? Putang ino, naka ano? Naka all stats costume yun oh. Wait lang. Nilakihan ko na yung radius ng square para
How dare you? Me too.
pre, sali nyo lang kahit alt. Siguro mga so next year surball port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun. Wait lang ah.
Watch me log into my brother's account.
So ganito. 100 ano else? Hanap lang pre ah. Tele lang guys. 2 minutes lalakyan ko ulit. 3 minutes lalakyan ko ulit. Para makakuha ng shadow, kailangan mo makakuha ng
Other on the to the other.
ano tayo?
Looking sharp. Looking sharp.
Streamer egg. Ano? Subscriber pala muna.
It's between the murderer and the sheriff. I just ran over time. How do you escape this place?
You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. You make me teenage dream. Wala pre, malabo. Boss Jemuel. Oy, kanino to akan eh? Ang swerte pre. Sakto.
Yellow. Bro, we're switching accounts. That's crazy.
Ayan mo. 2 cells. Pero kung sa 100cc pre, makakuha mo yung all stat na costume. Solve na yun. Last of a dying breed. I wonder if the therapist knows. Teka. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na yung laman. Tama? Ayan na, 3 clue na to.
This is my new friend, the Elixir Caprera. Her name.
Grabe, nakita ko yung pandemonyo. Grabe yung costume na nakakill. Oh, 1 minute tapos next clue. Ang stream. Bali pagkatapos nito, ng tele-LGP. Guess the monster. Teamworks. All comes.
Wait lang, Nina.
Okay.
My dad was just borrowing his phone. Okay. Okay. No?
Grave worm, goods. Grave worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave worm. Ang sagot, grave worm. Papalaro ako, nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite na Saya? Gini?
subscriber tsaka ng ano to. Hindi, busy kasi ako sa T1 versus bro. Wala naman yung pre, tae lang yung bro eh.
Yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga.
Ang dami na rin kasi talagang may shadow armor so parang medyo ay gilgil. Ang fufu. Tapos yung Shishitorin. Yun pala yung Choj. As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. Wait, you're playing Minecraft? Did you see? They said that they.
Nako!
Let people free on server.
Pagkapos tayo sa oras. Claim na ba si Rare?
Oh my god, help me find the sheriff.
Hindi ko makita. So, ang hindi pa nagkiklaim si Ace.
Honey, spawn if you die. Bro.
Kung gusto nyo sumali guys, tele-LGP.
I played with Bacon. Let's do the thing again. Bro, why are you a fat robber?
Baria, say that you remember. It's in September.
Okay, guys. Okay,
Kung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa. Punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Two are there.
Ano? Raffle muna tayo ng top 10, mga pre. Tsaka ng subs. Full ND. Galit na galit, gustong manakit. Hawak nila lahat ng adit. Utang inang pa siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? Yan ang clue natin. Parang mas okay sana kung ganun eh. Diba? Kumbaga,
How?
Because we all spawn.
oh baby, baby, baby.
Brr. At least I killed the other two.
Yan. Ito. Tara, streamer eggs tayo. Wala nang hahabol, wala ulo. Sa Aruna Felts Guild. Punta ka sa Guild Castle. Oo, pwede pre. Pwede. Punta ka sa Warper Guild Castle. G. Ano agad to pre?
There. Yo, that.
Tele lang ng tele pre. Mga pang nanalo. Bagay, bilis lang ng... Pagkatapos nito siguro guess the monster na lang tayo.
But I love it.
Sige pre, check ko. Nakapin ba yun?
But wait, can you not heard? Please say.
Sa mga bagong dating na gusto sumali, nasa Frontera Field 8 ako pre. Tele-tele lang kayo natin. Kasi kung walang sasali, magma na lang ako. Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo. Shout out kay kay Det. Teka lang,
We wanted the test so. What did
Tapos
one
na yun, boy.
to the
Okay. Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta sa Facebook. Palag naman yan. Sandro San Pedro. Thank you for following bro. Maraming salamat. Akane. Depende kung gaano kabilis aabutin ng natin. Kung gaano kabilis aabutin nitong tele-LGP. Pag medyo maaga tayo natapos dito,
And I love unicorns. Okay. And I love Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan, pa.
Roblox.
hindi mo na mamalayan. Start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's do the
Ah, sorry. I forgot you were sleeping. Gago nag-tail eh. Yan, 22 entries.
Just have a...
Mabilisan lang sa top 1 raffle. Kayo.
Okay.
Last round, last round. Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I fell.
Hulaan nyo. Siguro dahil mukha na siyang itila, alam nyo na, demi-human siya. So, clue na yun.
Wait, who's Sia? Say it. Did you know that?
Bero talaga yan. Kasi kung yung lahat ng Shadow Gears nasa streamer egg na nandun sa loob ng bagong streamer egg, pwede. GN pre, tapos share mo na din yung stream. Ikaw pala yung DreamWorks. Wait.
Oh, good.
I wonder how we got this. Anong oras? Siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes ng stream. Siguro mga after 30 minutes pre.
Did you hear me? There.
Nandito siya, lalabas siya sa Divine Pride.
Yeah, there. I'm in. Yeah, positive. Just stay stand here. Okay? Don't.
Fly LGP pre. Pagkatapos nitong round na to ng LGP fly, i-ready ko lang para ano lang, sunod-sunod. Should be. Si Fenny tsaka si Namrepus ang next in line. Nang nandito, raffle natin, dalawang winner, 50 NLs jewel each. Sa mga nandito sa stream. So, dapat 10.
Oh my God, my brother.
Hindi. Sa stream. Ano yung Orca clothes? Wala ng tapan dyan mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
What do you mean?
Hindi po ako,
Ano yan?
sir.
Oh, what is coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering on the
marbles.
ground.
KOE kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
Right there. Oh, that drama.
Yun o.
Okay. The end.
Hindi siya isilap, pre.
Oh, okay.
October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng
This is gonna be fun, right?
will come between us.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama class. You found someone there in the thing? Wait, you have to check because someone might be using the phone. For me, I'm just trying to find something things like ratings to my account. Yeah. Targeter.
Ulit tapos next clue.
Sige, what?
So I guess we're the opposite. Tina, did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero ano, wait lang ah. Magdo-double. Sureball, mahuhulaan niyo to. Stops. Si Namrebus tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako, Namrebus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala,
Kwek-kwek ko.
welcome. Ikaw nanalo sa sa Top Fan Raffle. May 1 week VIP ka sa akin. Mamaya bigay ko. Nandun sa isang character ko eh. Nandun siya sa variant na yun, pre. Variant siya ng ganong ng easy lang. Hey, turn on the lights. It's dark na eh. Yan, punta lang kayo sa upper front, mga pre. Mga gustong sumali. Valentine. Tama ba? Wait lang. Bago baka 25. Ay, hindi. Ano pala? 100 anels jewel pala, sorry. 100 anels jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC. Wait lamang.
Yan.
Ngayon, pag hindi nag-claim si Aishi, si Tagums, tsaka si Triggerman, bali mapapalitan niya ng 16, 17, tas 18.
So,
Grabe naman eh.
just like yours.
Apa naman ang pangalan mo, B?
Your hair is getting shorter and shorter every day.
Water. Water element. Medium size water element, pre.
Can you join me? Actually, it's a bit scary.
Pag-altab. Oh man, cover requirements. Okay, magta-timer ako. Lakihan ko pa.
Hit joke.
Hindi siya dandilayan, pre. O, ito na, level. Grabe, sobrang active ng Lakas Araw ngayon mag-post sa groups. 2 minutes. Pag tumunog, alam niyo na yan. Pagbibigay ako ng lalakayan ko yung picture next. Oo. Medium. Next clue. Palaro tayo, palaro. Oh, pre. Tayo, di ko din alam eh. Kay Creoles, yung Meet Your Makers. Tapos kay La Face Worm,
Live.
yung
I mean, we call
pangalan ng guild nila.
Pakain natin yung brush na natin.
So after 5 minutes, lalakihan ko ulit yung square.
Because
Still has to go once. Siguro sufficient naman na yung laki ng monster. So element na lang siguro ang medium. Para sa 25 LC na to. Ay, sa mga sa ano, okay naman, pwede naman dito sumagot, pre, kaso mali naman rin yung sagot mo eh.
Same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun. What did you buy again at the school fair? I forgot. That was like that ever since.
Okay. Una yan, malabo na ako mag-stream ng madaling araw ulit. Kasi magpapas...
More.
Nag-share natin tong stream
Where are
sa
your potions?
lakas.
In the jump about this street. I'm being good. Never mind.
Pagkatapos nito, LC na yung premyo. Okay. So ano else? Jewel pa to. Guild Castles.
Okay.
Aruna
That's
Felts.
what I'm saying.
Tapos kahit saan doon piliin mo, tapos tele ka na. Medyo nalakihan ko na yung ano.
Can we play Berry Crystal now? It's actually a boring game. That's a server where people get bored. You're evil too. Wait a minute.
Lalistahan ko.
Give me back my car.
Medyo busy. Non-driving pa din naman ng lakas RO mga pre. Papag-pats pa din. Halos walang nabago. Parang wala face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shoutout sa'yo.
So I thought YouTuber that is called Dylan Anderson. That's literally that.
Okay lang yan, pre. Mahal kasi na megaphone box, 50 LC.
You know that we will.
Na 2 months na sub. Thank you pati kay La Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs, pati kay Atlas din. Thank you, maraming salamat.
My brother is sleeping. My brother is sleeping, and he never says anything. He just put his An anime girl. Wait, really? Slay!
Hailey,
Yeah.
later na pala. Later.